Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you from a company that has sent me these two diamond paintings for review. Now, this comes to me from One Day Savings, and before I show you what these are, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope everyone's having a great day. And I do hope y'all can see, because I am using a different setup right now and a different camera holder. So I'm trying out the one that goes, that's the floor stand. So I'm trying that one out to see how I like it. But anyway, this comes from One Day Savings, and let's see what they sent me. So I picked out this special shaped ladybug, and she is a 30 by 40. And they had some different ones to choose from. They had a grasshopper, and an ant, beetle. I think there was like 6 different ones, 5 or 6 different ones. But I thought she was the prettiest because she had the most colors. But the other ones were really cute too. But she has got 14 different shapes. And she has got a schematic on the bottom right. And it does have a code on there. And she also has a schematic on the top left. And then, as you can see, there is the thumbnail. And it has all the info up here on the top. And while I have it up here, you can see that it is very clear. And it's going to have a lot of different size shapes on it. And I do apologize for the glare. And it is very sticky. And they did not put the plastic all the way around it. It's just like from here to here, which I think is pretty cool. But none of this background is drilled. This is just a partial special shape. So it's just this area here. Now, it did come with just your regular toolkit, which is just a square of wax, your green boat, and a pink pen. But here are the drills, and let's go ahead and look at them because they are pretty, and they are the special shaped drills, or crystals, or whatever you want to call them. Alright, y'all might hear the boys in the background. I've got them blocked out of the room right now while I'm doing the video because they are wound up. So we have got clear, we have got some bright green, we've got red, we've got kind of looks like, it's not quite black, but it almost looks like gunmetal. We've got gold, we've got like an orange, we've got blue, we've got a very bright purple, we've got another shade of blue, and then we have got a large orange, we've got some teardrop red, and then we have got like some fuchsia, and then we have got some large iridescent, looks like teardrop. I don't know what these things are called, marquise or whatever. And then we have got some blue ones. Very pretty. Alright. And we're just going to stick these back in here. Those are really pretty. And it does have the item number on the bags. Alright, so this one was $5.61. But I thought it, like, again, it is very pretty. And out of all the bugs, I thought she was the prettiest one. Alright. So, this next one, I'm sort of disappointed in it. I actually thought it should have been a lot better looking than what it is. So yeah, I am quite disappointed in it. Actually, I think this toolkit went with that one. And I think this toolkit goes with this one. They're the same toolkit, you just got a little bit bigger piece of wax with this one. Alright, anyway. Here's the drills with this. This one is a square. So, there are a lot of pretty colors that are with this one. And you're going to see what I'm talking about being disappointed with it. And I have never, ever been disappointed with a kit from One Day Savings. Ever. I've never had an issue with One Day Savings. I just think it's the way this one was rendered. So I'm kind of, like I said, I'm very disappointed in it. Of course, it's going to look a little bit better in the camera than what it does me looking at it on here. So this is a 65 by 50. So it should look very clear. And if you can see, this is the thumbnail. And there's 29 colors. And it does have the DMCs. And we're going to be working with letters, numbers, and symbols. And it is a square, so it should even be, it should look even better. But it's called hierarchy. And if you can see, down here on the bottom, this is going to be, I guess it's like, you know what, let me show you what this is supposed to look like. Well, okay, so, like I said, I have never, ever, ever had an issue with One Day Savings, but this is what this is supposed to look like. And with it being as large as it is, you would have thought that it would look better than what it does. But it is just so pixelated. The picture is gorgeous. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. But you cannot, I can tell that this is a well. These just look like blobs, white blobs. Okay, that looks like a potato or a rock. That just looks like a gray blob. Those look like white and black blobs. That just looks like a black tail. I mean, I can tell it's a tail, and I know what it is because I've looked at the picture. But if I hadn't looked at this picture and I was just looking at this for the first time, I wouldn't know what none of this was. So I'm very disappointed in this. I really am. And I hate to sound that way, but if this kit is $15.58. Okay. Now, granted, it didn't cost me anything. They've sent this to me as a review. But I'm not going to get on here and ooh and ah over something that I think looks horrible. And I'm just going to give y'all my honest opinion. I would be so upset if I purchased this and got this, and it looked like this, because like I said, I am sitting here looking through my camera right now, and I can see a little bit more detail than if you were sitting here looking at this through the naked eye. And like I said, I am just so shocked, because I have never received anything under par from One Day Savings, ever. And I have been, I mean, even before I started my YouTube channel and started getting PR packages from them, I was buying stuff with my own money from them and never had an issue. I never received anything from them that wasn't, you know, that was bad. I never did. So I'm very shocked with this. So anyway, the drills are pretty. I probably will not do this. And if I was to ever do this, it would just be because I was bored, and this is probably it would probably be the very last diamond painting I ever had in my stash that I hadn't done, if that makes sense. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty. I mean, as far as the drills are gorgeous. But yeah, I'm very disappointed. Very, very, very disappointed. But like I said, it's a 65 by 50 square. It was $15.58, and the special drill ladybug, she is a 30 by 40, and she was $5.61. One Day Savings. Right now, they are doing free shipping for anything over $50. So yeah. So I will leave a link to these in my description box, and I will leave also a link to their preferred kits and their under $4 kits. So, all right, I just want to say thank you to One Day Savings for sending these to me. And like I said, I do not like giving a bad anything, but I'm gonna have to go on this one. But like I said, this is the first time ever I've had a bad experience with a kit from them. So, all right, y'all. Anyway, enough about that. One Day Savings is a great place, and like I said, I've never had an issue with them. So, all right. So I will leave a link to these in my description box, and y'all go check them out. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.